Hey there viewers, basil is a star ingredient in creamy pastas and pizzas. The vibrant green basil leaves not only add flavor to your recipes, but also offer stunning health benefits. In today's video, we'll talk about the benefits of basil. Can basil support your mental health? What about digestion and heart health? We'll be discussing all of these and more. Number 1. Boosts mental health. In our fast-paced lives, things get pretty overwhelming. What if I told you that an herb can support your mental health? Yeah, you heard that right. Basil may help relieve your stress. It has a relaxing and calming effect on your mind, which decreases mental stress. Your sleep is also affected due to stress. Basil can be beneficial there as well. It can also elevate your ability to think. Additionally, basil holds anti-anxiety and antidepressant properties. Basil reduces memory loss, as well as symptoms like forgetfulness and exhaustion. A hot cup of tea is always very comforting. Try making basil tea and drink it twice a day. Experts recommend regular consumption of basil tea, as it'll help treat depression and make you feel better. Holy basil tea is actually referred to as liquid yoga. Just like yoga has a calming effect on your mind and body, holy basil tea can show effects similar to yoga. Holy basil nourishes your mind, body, and spirit, while relaxing you at the same time. How's your mental health these days? What do you do to help it? Sound off in the comment section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Supports heart health. High blood pressure and cholesterol are two main factors hurting your heart. Guess what? Basil can help reduce high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Basil contains a compound called eugenol, which helps to lower blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels. Studies also suggest that basil makes your blood thin and decreases blood pressure. Consuming basil tea helps to reduce high blood pressure levels. In rat studies, basil extract reduced total cholesterol levels by 56%, triglyceride levels by 63%, and bad cholesterol levels by 68%. These effects were found to be stronger than fenofibrate, medicine used to treat abnormal blood lipid levels. Drinking a concoction made from holy basil can be helpful in treating high cholesterol levels. Number 3. Fights cancer. The holy basil, which is commonly found in Indian homes, holds potential cancer-fighting properties. Studies suggest that holy basil contains a bunch of phytochemicals, which can prevent skin, lung, breast, liver, and oral cancer. The main phytochemical is eugenol. These phytochemicals produce strong antioxidants and anti-cancer properties that help stop the progression of cancer cells. Holy basil has the ability to kill cancerous cells. We get exposed to so many toxic compounds daily. These are things like pollutants, heavy metals, pesticides, and radiation. Did you know that these compounds can be potent carcinogens? Yes, the fruits and veggies you eat can have pesticides in them. We know it's almost impossible to avoid pollution altogether, but consuming holy basil may do some good. It can help prevent cancer caused by toxic compounds. This is done by reducing DNA damage. Additionally, holy basil helps with the elimination of bad compounds by increasing the activity of certain enzymes. You should consume holy basil with water in the morning. This is done on an empty stomach. If it's hard to find holy basil around you, go for holy basil drops or capsules. But before trying any herbal capsule, talk to a doctor. Wait, there's more. We know that smoking is a major cause of cancer. Did you know that basil can help you quit? Shocking, right? Whenever you have the desire to smoke, chew a few holy basil leaves. The leaves of holy basil help remove nicotine from your body and purify your blood. If you really want to overcome your habit of smoking, keep a few basil leaves with you and chew them whenever you get a strong urge to smoke. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all of our great Bestie content. Number 4. Lowers high blood sugar. High blood sugar levels have become a pretty common issue these days, thanks to stress as well as our lazy lifestyles. Since ancient times, basil leaves have been used to treat high blood sugar. Both sweet and holy basil have that ability. In a study, diabetic people took 250 milligrams of holy basil extract along with their regular meds. After 3 months, they had an 18% decrease in their average blood sugar levels. The leaves of holy basil are loaded with antioxidants which promote the functioning of the pancreatic beta cells. Holy basil stimulates the release of insulin from the pancreas and produces the glucose in your liver. It also controls the fat and carbohydrates in the body. This way, it helps maintain blood glucose levels. For maximum benefits, you should chew 3 to 4 leaves of holy basil on an empty stomach daily. Number 5. Decreases oxidative stress. Free radicals are harmful molecules that build up and lead to oxidative stress in your body. Oxidative stress is further associated with health problems like cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Antioxidants found in basil are anthocyanins, flavonoids, and beta-carotene. Basil is also loaded with phenolic acid, which has strong antioxidant activity. The essential oil of basil is also rich in antioxidants, with sweet basil essential oil containing the highest amount. Add basil to your sandwiches, salads, and wraps. Before we continue, would you like to learn more about foods that promote liver health? Check out our video on 9 foods that make your liver stronger. Now back to our discussion on basil. Number 6. Decreases inflammation and swelling. Oxidative stress can also cause inflammation in your body. Basil is truly a healing herb as it reduces inflammation and swelling. This is all thanks to its eugenol content that carries anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that extracts of sweet basil are very effective in decreasing inflammation. If you have swelling in your body, basil can help. This is why you should do basil water. To prepare this, take some fresh basil leaves and put them in boiling water. Let them boil for a few minutes and then strain. Your basil water is now ready. Drink this water first thing in the morning. In addition to basil's anti-inflammatory properties, basil is great for the skin. These days, a gazillion skincare products are available on the market. While the synthetic ones are loaded with chemicals, herbal products are a lot safer. Look for products with basil as an ingredient. It can treat acne, skin infections, skin texture, and dark spots. On top of that, basil can help prevent skin aging. Research suggests that skin creams containing basil extract may stop roughness and wrinkling, helping you look a lot younger. Number 7. Fights infection. Since ancient times, basil has been used as an effective antibacterial agent. It has the potential to fight disease-causing bacteria. Research suggests that basil oil stops the growth of E. coli, showing that it can be used to treat infections like respiratory, urinary, abdominal, and skin. Having said that, basil also helps to relieve cold, congestion, and other respiratory disorders. Juice of holy basil leaves mixed with honey is a great remedy for coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Hold on, there's more. During the pandemic, you may have tried different things to boost your immunity, from oranges to vitamin C supplements to golden milk. But did you know that an herb growing in your backyard can help? Yeah, basil contains vitamin C and zinc, which boosts your immunity and keeps infections at bay. Number 8. Supports liver health. Basil has powerful detox properties and can do wonders for your liver. In a study, an herbal drink was given to rats with bad livers. The basil extract in it had a positive effect on the liver, and most of the rats lived. For humans, having basil on the regular can prevent fat from building up in the liver, keeping you healthy. Number 9. Enhances digestion. If you often suffer from bloating and indigestion, consuming basil on the regular can help. Experts suggest that basil can cure your loss of appetite as well as acidity. Additionally, basil helps control your body's pH levels, which promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microflora not only supports better digestion, but also increases your immunity. In addition to enhancing your digestion, basil may help you with your weight loss journey. Most of us know green tea can help you lose weight, but what about basil tea? Holy basil regulates your metabolism and boosts your digestion. This will help you lose a few pounds. On top of that, it carries 0 calories and increases your stamina. 2 cups of holy basil tea each day will make a difference. Don't forget to squeeze some exercise in your routine. Would you like to learn about the benefits of other herbs? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more videos, shall we? Check out 7 herbs and spices with the most powerful health benefits. Or how about 15 health benefits of parsley you never knew about? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about the health benefits of herbs. Did you know about the benefits of basil? Let us know in the comments below.